This is how to quickly pin a chat on Messenger. First is to tap on your Messenger app, alright? Note here I'm using an iPhone. As the Messenger app opens, long press on the contact you want to pin, alright? You will see some options, select pin. And this has been pinned as one of my top chats, okay, in my on my friends list. Okay, so to unpin it, long press, and you will see some options, select unpin. So there's another way you can do this. If you're an iPhone user, what you need to do is to take your finger to the contact and drag towards the left. You will see some options, select pin. So tap on pin and you are good. So anyway, we work. If this content helps, consider subscribing, hit the like button, and leave a comment. All right? Here we cover a lot on information technology. Thank you, and see you some other time.